we'd be neglectful to not specify Volkswagen's new guarantee, called the People First Warranty. It covers a VW for a long time or 72,000 miles. That is noteworthy, and among the best in the business depending how you cut it. Hyundai and Kia cover 10 years, 100,000 miles, yet that is for the powertrain. In addition, the guarantee is transferable. In this way, on the off chance that you offer the auto, the rest of the scope goes to the new proprietor. One motor for the present, however. New Jetta GLI is coming. As we as of now said, while the active Jetta has a decision of a standard 1.4-liter turbocharged four-chamber or a more strong 1.8-liter power plant, the better and brighter one turns out the door with just a littler and less intense motor. The past ages tease with a half-breed display likewise hasn't made an arrival at any rate yet, and in case you're seeking after another diesel Jetta, well, that simply isn't probable. On the off chance that you truly need a little diesel car, attempt the Chevrolet Cruze. So not at all like opponents, for example, the Honda Civic, Mazda 3, Ford Focus and even the Nissan Sentra, that leaves the Jetta with just a single motor, the 1.4-liter four-barrel turbo, as the sole plant in the engine. Be that as it may, on the off chance that you need something more intense and have persistence, it will in the long run pay off as another Jetta GLI, likely as a 2020 model. While points of interest are still TBA, we would expect a 2020 VW Jetta GLI to house a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-barrel